Hey, how's it going, everybody? I gotta get to work because the boss man's already started demoing, and I can't be putzing around with the camera, so we'll just get started, and we're gonna redo this deck here. So
watch out for the wasp nest.
Wasp nest.
Yeah. It's cool enough that they always see right here. This is what spindles anymore. Have to put that. So I think when you do this, we should have our safety goggles on.
Yeah. Well, we both work for ourselves, so no one's gonna get sued.
OSHA is watching this.
Can they?
We have evidence that you're working. Oh, they run a funeral home, so if you ever call the number, that you know, it's gonna answer.
Oh, okay. Just pull that out if you can. Oh, it's hardwired. Fancy.
Fancy daisy.
Banging through any nails, pruning blades are.
Yeah.
all the deck boards off, and this is supposed to be a cosmetic, just redoing. And so we're going around and checking all the posts that are bad, and got one here. There's a whole bunch of them. There's like 4 or 5 that need to be done, but there's that. And then I was just using a crowbar like that. Haven't even dug around it, and just pulling on this board. That's pretty nice. I like that. All right, so day 2 back at this project, and so most of the deck is good. The only thing that's for sure bad are the posts. So we're gonna pull all the posts, put new posts in. They were only dug down 24 inches, so we're gonna fix that, put them to the correct 42, and basically tear everything out, put everything back in, and then replace everything that needs to be replaced, and then put new decking down and railing and all that fun stuff. All right, so we pulled out that one that I kind of did a little bit of video on. Ended up screwing a block to it and then just giving it another heave. This one, I just put that block in there and same thing, and only lifted it maybe 6 inches and then was able to pull the rest of it out by hand. So, not so good. All right, Brian went to go get a block of wood to screw to that. In the meantime, I just kept going. And now let me just one-hand it up. Now I'm just using my foot on that crowbar. Never mind. Yeah. You're gonna try by hand? Oh boy. Nice.
42 inches, right?
Yeah, that's sure. It looks like 42 inches.
42?
That's a real man's 42 inches. All right, so yesterday we pulled all the posts, and they were all set to 24 inches for some reason. And then so we pulled all those up, dug everything back out, and got everything set to the right depths, and put cement, filled them in with cement, and set the posts in. So pretty much this afternoon we'll be cutting the posts so that we can get the beams back on and go from there. This was supposed to be just a recover, but due to they're putting a hot tub in over there where the octagon was, so we added 2 posts there because they had an octagon with 1 missing post, and then we added one in the middle, and then it was sagging, so it turned into more than what it was, and then so now that'll be a lot stronger, and everything will be set right, and they'll get a lot more life out of this deck.